Good afternoon, everyone. In this occasion, I'm going to present my research paper about an analysis of code switching and code mixing in Sobat Ambiar 2021 movie, a sociolinguistic study. My research paper divided into introduction, statement of problem, method of research, theories, discussion, and conclusion. Let's move to introduction. All right. The diversity of language in Indonesia, uh, that's not make Indonesian people to have an obstacles to communicate with each other because we have an Indonesian language as a national language. So most Indonesian people are bilingual. They can master two language, Indonesia and local language. And usually movies uh, take some stories or plots related to daily life. They use language, uh, local language, and also Indonesian as a daily life. So movies are works of visual art that use movie image to convey ideas, stories, emotion, beauty, or atmosphere in addition to imitating experience. With the related stories, we can learn from the stories and take lessons from the story and more easily understand it because it relates to to daily life. Next, this is the theory. Not theory. I'm sorry. Wardaf in Naha and Bram state that based on this different perspective, mixing and code switching are social phenomena that should be studied from a sociolinguistic perspective because sociolinguistics studied the interaction between language and culture to better understand language structure and language use in communication. Uh, I select this topic due to its relevance to daily life, as people now use multiple language for communication, and the analysis of movies is interesting. Let's move to statement of the problem. Ha- uh, in this research, my question is how code switching and code mixing are depicted in the movie Sobat Ambiar. Next is method of research. I use method of data collection is library research from uh, book and from journal to that related to code switching and code mixing. And the data analysis, I use a descriptive qualitative method to examine the use of code switching and code mixing. Next is theories. This is the theories that I use from Telhaems, Pietro, and Peter Masken that defines code switching as a common term for alternate use of two or more language or varieties of language or even speech styles. While Pietro says code switching is the use of more than one language by the communicant in the performance of speech acts. Code mixing is another phenomenon that is closely related to code switching. Peter Masken states, I use the term code mixing to refer to all cases where lexical items and grammatical features from two languages appear in a single sentence. There are three types of code switching as formulated by Poplak in 1980. There are text switching, intersentential switching, and intrasentential switching. Text switching it is essentially the insertion of a text from one language into another. Text can be placed into an utterance at various points without altering or upsetting the utterance grammatical structure, meaning, or purpose. While intersentential switching is defined as the transition between two sentence boundaries, one in one language and the other in a different one. Consequently, speakers who engage in this type of switching typical process a reasonable level of proficiency in the language involved. And intrasentential switching is bilinguals with high degrees of fluency in related language use it to describe switching that takes place inside the same clause or phrase that incorporates part of both language. Next, according to Maiskan, as stated in Manihurik and Huta Barat in on 2019, in Ariski and Mutiasi, divided code mixing into three types. Insertion code mixing, alternation code mixing, congruent lexicalization code mixing. Insertion code mixing is lexical items from one language are inserted into another language process known as insertion. The limitation of base or metric structural properties is known as insertion. And number two is alternation code mixing. When two language structure alternate is indistinguish, indistinguishably, alternation is most often present. The limitation of mixing that arise from the compatibility or equivalency of the language involved at the mix point and clause is known as alternations. And number three is congruent lexicalization code mixing. When two languages have similar grammatical structure that might be filled lexically with vocabulary from either language. This is known as congruent lexicalization. Within a sentence are the aforementioned procedure. In other words, the speaker change one sentence. All right, next is discussion. From all the conversation carried out by all characters, both monologue and dialogue, there are 9 code switching and 13 code mixing. Let's see. This is the sorry. In the movie Sobat Ambyar, all characters do code switching 9 times. All characters switch between Javanese Ngoko, Javanese Kromo, and Indonesian. In this movie, especially Japanese call characters use nine code switching. The first utterance used is sebentar ya Mbak, maksudmu ki apa? Technical switch is Indonesian language to the Japanese language. Second is Jabang bayi, silahkan, silahkan. Jatmiko switch his Japanese language to the Indonesian language. And the third is Jatmiko switch his Japanese language to Indonesian language. And the fourth utterance is Mbak Fares switch his Japanese language to the Indonesian language. The fifth utterance is Jatmiko switch his Indonesian language to the Japanese language. From siapa ini ras to mestine aku si takon iki sapa ras. And the sixth utterance is Jatmiko switch his Indonesian language to the Japanese language. The seventh Wulan switched his Japanese Ngoko language into the Japanese Kromo language. The eighth utterance, Jatmiko switched his Indonesian language to the Japanese language. For example, masih marah, basa-basimu iki saya perlu tak tanggapi. And the last utterance is Jatmiko switch his Japanese language to the Indonesia language. Let's move to the next. This is code mixing. Related to what was found in the movie Sobat Ambyar, the 13 times all the characters use code switching in their conversation. Not only Japanese and Indonesian, but also English. Japanese code mixing is ngongseng, iche, ora, koyo. The following is the Indonesian language used in code mixing: akui, diskon, berjuang, jaga kesehatan, apa sehat, kesempatan. Waktu, optimis, melepas kesedihan. And the last one is English, franchise, sorry, vintage. That's a discussion about code switching and code mixing in the movie Sobat Ambyar. Next is conclusion. From the analysis, it can be concluded that the code switching and code mixing are illustrated in the movie Sobat Ambyar. The movie tells a story that relates to the lives of Indonesian people by using Indonesian dialogue and local language as daily language. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you so much for the attention. I'm Irma Puspasari, and thank you. Okay, I will stop sharing.